Health authorities in East Khasi Hills district have intensified surveillance following measles outbreaks in neighboring Bangladesh. Officials have directed all departments to strengthen early detection and reporting systems. Schools and Anganwadi centers have been instructed to report even a single suspected case immediately to prevent any potential spread.
As you all know that there is a measles outbreak in our border country, Bangladesh, where I think almost more than 100 children have died. But as of now, means like we are in close contact with, from the health department, with especially with all the neighboring district which share border with the Bangladesh. So as of now, we have not got any kind of report from there. But still, we have given clear direction that they will be alert and to report if any kind if any incident happen. But as of now, I like to make it sure that no incident reported as till today.